My heart itched and drowsy of numbers pains, my sense a though of hemlock I had drank, or emptied some dull opiate in the drains. 1 minute passed, and lead words had sunk. 'Tis not through envy of happy lot, but being too happy in the time happiness, that thou light wicked dryad of trees, in some melodious plot of beeching green and shadow numberless, singers of summer in full throughout this.
Or for a draught of vintage that had been cooled a long age in the deep velvet heart, dusting of flora and the crunching green, dance and Provence sound and silver mean, or for a beaker full of the one soul, full of the true, the bluesful hypocrite, with beaded bubbles winking at the brim, and purple stained mouth. That I mean drink, and lived the word answer, and quit the fade away into the forest dim.
Fade far away, dissolve and quite forget, what through among the leaves has never known, the weariness, the fever, and the fret hair, where men sighed and her age overgrown, where pulse shakes a few, sad, last grey eyes, where you grows pale and spectring and dies, where but to think is to be full of sorrow, and leading eyes despise, where beauty cannot hid her lustrous eyes, or new love pine at the beyond tomorrow.
Away, away, for I will fly to thee, not carried by Bacchus and his parts, but on the viewless wings of poesy, through the dull brain perplexities and retard. Already with thee tender is the night, and applied the queen moon is on her throne, clustered around by all her starry face, but here there is no light, save what from heaven is with the breeze is blown, through verdurous glooms and weaving mossy ways.